it's Ashley from WTI, and this is Barzel's 18 karat gold plated anklet. There's a lot of variations of anklets that they sell, and I chose this one because I was looking for something really colorful, and the stones on this are so pretty. You have all different colors here, so it's going to match anything that you're wearing. I also wanted something that wasn't too dainty, and so this really has a nice weight to it. It has really nice circle shapes here on all of the colors, and the gold is very shiny. I also wanted something that was going to hold up in salt water, and since it's gold plated, it has held up really well. So we are always outside, either at the beach or the pool or doing something in the water, and I have had no problem with this tarnishing on me. This is a quality product that I'm very happy I purchased, and it's going to go with me on our next tropical vacation. So I would say if you're looking for something that is going to be colorful, well made, and look beautiful on you, then this is 10 out of 10, but that's just my point of view.